Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing a unboxings today of something that I've been wanting for a while. Not exactly sure why I put it off so long, but for some reason I have, but I finally said, you know what, I'm just going to buy it for myself. So I am going to show you what I just bought myself. So I'm going to unpackage this and I'll be right back. Two wax seal stamping kits, and the reason that I did two was because I could not find one that had everything that I wanted in it. So I bought two of them. So really pretty boxes. That's really cool. And so this one I purchased because I needed one of these little I wanted a little holder for the candles, and this one that I purchased didn't have that piece in it. And when I was looking at just this separately, it was almost, it was actually the same price as this box altogether. So I'm like, well, I'm just going to buy the full box. So let's go ahead and open this one. Oh yeah, I forgot this one came with a little flower. Cool. So this one I specifically liked because I really liked the two little pieces, these little pieces. So these are obviously workable. They work just fine, but I really wanted pretty ones. I mean, let's face it, I just wanted pretty ones. So not that I can't use these still, because they are still pretty. Oh, this one's really heavy. But I really liked the design of these ones. So I got this one that's kind of like a more like vintagey Victorian type, and then the really pretty green handle. And then this one came with like a gold, metallic-y gold wax. And I love the little jar it's in. I love the little jar. And then a couple of candles, obviously. But again, it didn't have this piece to it. So, and that's really what I wanted to make sure I had this piece, because it's kind of important to have that, so you can, you don't have to hold your thing over your candle while it's melting. And then so then again, when I was looking for these, it's basically the same price as this thing. So I'm like, well, I'll just buy this full kit thing. So then I've got two different sets of the stamper and the little wax melty holder thing. I don't know what they call it. This one says thank you, and then this one is like a little it's like this kind of little design, which I really liked. I just wanted something super simple that I could kind of use for lots of different things. And then I loved that this one had the bee in it and the tree. I just love these two. So I got basically all of this for almost the same price as what I would have spent for just this piece by itself, at least from what I was looking at on Amazon. So I just love the little cherub candles. I mean, it's completely unnecessary, and as soon as I light it, it's going to go away. But I think it's really cute. And then I also liked the fact that it came with like little ribbons. So, I mean, I think that's more ribbon than I will ever probably use, ever. But, and then it came, so this is the little stamp this is the stamp that just says thank you. And I think that's really nice. It's very simple. It's actually glued on there really good. Geez. But I really loved all of this. This is a rose one, and then a little bee, and then the tree one. So I'm really excited to have this. I've honestly never done wax melting stuff before. Obviously I've seen it a lot in junk journal videos and things like that, and so I'm going to try it out. So this came with this little box set, and I'll link the two down below, so if you want to purchase them. I found really good deals on it. I think this one right here was like less than $13, and then I think this one, I honestly cannot remember how much I paid for this one. I want to say it was like almost like 12, like less than 13 as well. I want to say, but I could be wrong. I'll link it down below. You'll see down below. So it came with little stickers, and then this one also came with some envelopes. So little envelopes. So these are really pretty envelopes. Really nice. Enjoy yourself. Oh, I didn't know that had little sayings on it. For you. Best wishes. Thank you. So they're nice envelopes. Okay, so I think I want to go ahead in this video and test it out. I, of course, don't have a lighting mechanism in here, so I will have to go get a lighting mechanism. So I think the way that it works, you just put the candle over this and then get candle wax on your table. Okay, so let's go get a match. Okay, so I got this little jar at TJ Maxx, and it had hairpins in it, and I took the hairpins out, and I put matches from the Dollar Tree in the container, and then I just put the striking thing at the bottom. So again, I've never done this before. This is literally the first time I'm ever doing this. I have no idea how to do this. Obviously, I've watched some videos, but you just put the melt in there. Let's just do one more just in case. I don't have any idea how many you're supposed to put in there. And I love the little flake flower that came with this one. A little dried flower. So I'm assuming you just wait for it to melt. I think I want to do the bee. Now I'm hoping that they're interchangeable. I don't know. Are they interchangeable? Are they all the same size? Oh, it looks like it. I was like, I don't know if they're all interchangeable or not. Come on. Oh, yes. Nice. Okay, so yeah, they're interchangeable. I was like, oh, I was worried that it wasn't the same, but it looks like they're all the same on the bottom. Okay, cool. So then I've got, how many stamps do I want? 5 different stamps. All right, well, it's starting to melt. So I think that it's ready. Okay, so I think it's ready. Okay, literally the first time I've ever done this. Okay, so then I'm pretty sure you're just supposed to, I got this envelope. I mean, obviously you don't have to put it on an envelope, but I just had this envelope in my stash, so I'm just pulled this out. So I think you're just supposed to pour it on top. I don't know how much to pour, but all right, let's just see if that's enough. Okay, there's stuff running. I don't really like that. I don't have a napkin. I don't know what's going to happen with that stuff that's running on the side. All right, and then we're going to just put this and I think you just kind of leave it there until it dries a little bit. I don't know how long to leave it in there. Of course, it's completely off center of the camera, but oh, look, I did it. Look how cute the little bee is. My little first wax seal. I like it. Oh my gosh, I like it. All right, cool. Well, that worked. All right, well, that's all I wanted to share with you guys today. And I hope that you guys enjoyed. I will see you again real soon. Bye for now.